Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do a part of grammar, and our topic is tenses. And in tenses we are going to do future continuous tense. Hi, I am Japneet and I am conducting this session for future continuous tense. Let's move on that what is future continuous tense. Let's see. The future continuous tense, sometimes also referred to as the future progressive tense. So future continuous tense को future progressive tense भी कहा जाता है. It is also known as future progressive tense. It is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of टाइम. सो ये एक ऐसा टेंस है जो हमें बताता है कि फ्यूचर में कुछ होगा और कितने समय तक के लिए वो चीज़ चलेगी फ्यूचर में, इसके बारे में जब इंडिकेशन मिलती है तो हम फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इट एक्सप्रेसेस एक्शन एट अ पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट इन द फ्यूचर. कोई एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए जो वो एक्शन कंटिन्यू होगा उसके बारे में फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस बताता है. Let's see how we can use future continuous tense. So, future continuous tense tells us about the overlapping actions. Like, I'll be waiting when you arrive. मैं तुम्हारी वेट कर रहा हूँगा जब तुम आ जाओगे, वहाँ पर पहुँच जाओगे. तो यहाँ पर दो actions हो रहे हैं that I am waiting and you arrive. So wait करना भी action है and arrive पहुंचना भी action है. So future continuous tense tells you about the overlapping actions. दो actions जो एक साथ हो रहे हैं या एक दूसरे पे dependent हैं या interdependent हैं वो. Now moving on to the next thing, which is future continuous tense tells you about the future as a matter of course. For example, the government will be making a statement later. So you know already that in future this thing is going to happen. So this is how we use future continuous tense. Now let's see subject verb agreement. What is subject verb agreement? Here we will see a rule in which I am going to tell you that how do we use verbs in future continuous tense with a particular subject. And what is subject? Subject is the doer of the sentence for which we are talking, for whom we are talking in the sentence. If you're not aware of what is subject, then please go watch the video of the sentence. I have taken that lesson before. Watch the video of the sentence. So let's see the rule for first, second and third person, that is I, he, she, it and you, we, they. So इन pronouns के साथ हम क्या form of verb use करेंगे और कैसे करेंगे. I will remain always I, he, she, it. You can replace them with a noun. आप he, she, it की जगह पर he में कोई भी लड़के का नाम, she में कोई भी लड़की का नाम और it में कोई भी animal और thing का नाम ले सकते हैं. You, we, they. You will remain always same as you. We will remain same, and they can depend upon your statement. Like if I say students, so they, it will considered as they. Now moving on to forms of verb. कैसे हम use करेंगे sentence बनाने के लिए verb को future continuous tense में. So सबसे पहले कोई भी सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में लगाएंगे will, be प्लस वर्ब प्लस ing. तो हम सारे प्रोनाउंस के साथ विल बी और वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी लगाएंगे। कोई भी वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी लग सकता है। ऑल राइट, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल्सो। सम एग्जाम्पल्स। I will be calling my friends tonight. मैं आज अपने फ्रेंड्स को रात को कॉल करने वाली हूँ। Dad will be buying a new bicycle this birthday. So मेरे को मेरे डैड बाइसिकल दिलवाने वाले हैं in future when on my birthday. My mother will be cooking my favorite dish this evening. तो मेरी मदर आज शाम को मेरी फेवरेट डिश बनाने वाली हैं। इट विल बी रेनिंग इन लंदन। सो थोड़ी देर में बारिश होने वाली है लंदन में। You will be learning new concepts in this session. So, in this session of future continuous tense, you will be learning new concepts. What concepts? Future continuous tense. You're learning at this time. You're doing it right now. Alright, we will be going to school after lockdown gets over. और जब लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो हम स्कूल जाने वाले हैं, हम जाएंगे. This is future and we know that it will happen for sure. They will be staying home during lockdown. So it is a surety that during lockdown everybody is going to stay at home, stay at their homes. Alright, so this is how we are going to use future continuous tense in sentences. You can also make different types of sentences using future continuous tense so that you can practice and learn the concepts properly. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye everyone. Take care and I hope I helped to clear your concepts about future continuous tense. Stay tuned for videos about tenses. More videos on tenses. Bye bye.